Your focus isn't gone. It's just drowning. Drowning in notifications, overthinking, random urges to check your fridge every 12 minutes, even though you know there's nothing inside except sadness and ketchup. But here's the truth. Focus isn't something you magically find. It's something you build, and today, you're going to build it. First, let's talk about the enemy. Your brain hates boredom. The moment you try to study, read, or work on something meaningful, your brain goes, "Hey, what if we scroll for 3 hours instead?" And you listen every time. So step 1, reduce friction. Turn your phone off. Not silent. Off. If that sentence hurt your soul, good. It means you needed it. Create a space where your brain has only 2 options. 1, do the task, or 2, stare at the wall. And trust me, after 40 seconds of staring at a wall, the task suddenly looks exciting. Step 2, use the 10-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'll work for just 10 minutes, not 2 hours, not 1 hour, just 10. Because here's the secret nobody tells you. Focus begins after you start, not before. Your brain unlocks a different gear once you're already moving. It's like trying to push a car. The first shove is brutal, but once it's rolling, you can steer it with one hand. Step 3, single task like a psycho. 1 tab, 1 goal, 1 mission. Multitasking is just doing multiple things badly at the same time. Choose one thing and attack it with full attention. And finally, protect your energy. Sleep, hydration, small breaks. You can't focus if your brain is running on 7% battery and breadcrumbs. Remember this, you don't boost focus by trying harder. You boost it by removing what breaks it. Make your environment quiet, your goals simple, and your mind steady. Your focus will return, not because you wished for it, but because you built the conditions for it to thrive. Now go. Your future self is waiting for you to start.